Everywhere you look, this place is like a fairy tale. Rolling green hills, quaint little stone villages frozen in time, character-rich pubs and fascinating history. This is the Cotswolds, deep in the heart of England. To truly immerse yourself and all your senses in this incredible landscape, there is no better way than to travel by foot or cycling. And to make your Cotswolds experience as fulfilling and enjoyable as possible, let UTracks do all the hard work for you. Not only will they organise all your trip logistics from start to end, but they will transfer your luggage for you each day, meaning you can be as lightweight as possible on the trail. UTracks will provide you with a navigation app, making the daunting task of navigating around as easy as it can be. Since UTracks handpicks and pre-books beautiful, friendly bed and breakfast for you, when you arrive in your destination each afternoon, you can go straight to the pub. I mean your accommodation, and each morning you will wake well rested and get fueled up for the day ahead. All this combined means a hassle-free journey, giving you more time to soak up the experience in this extraordinary part of the planet.
Some of the places I've stayed in have been ancient buildings, but with a modern upgrade, let's say, so that you feel like you're in a historic building, but then there's a very modern bathroom there, which is quite reassuring. So a bit of best of both worlds.
Since UTracks offer over 500 active holidays all across Europe, they really are the go-to company for active European holidays. In the Cotswolds, UTracks offer a range of walking and cycling experiences from 5 to 12 days in length. Generally, the terrain in the Cotswolds is gently undulating, but sometimes hilly, giving it an introductory to moderate grading and doesn't require a high level of fitness or experience to enjoy.
It's not that hilly, so it's easily doable when you are not that experienced hiker.
It feels comfortable to walk around these areas. The woodlands are gentle, the paths are well marked, there's less stress.
The Cotswold Way is one of the official UK national trails, which starts in Chipping Campden and goes all the way to Bath, covering 164 kilometres or 102 miles. With UTracks, you can experience this self-guided journey over 12 days, walking between 10 and 23 kilometres or 6 to 14 miles per day. This experience takes you through classic English countryside and beautiful villages like Broadway, Painswick and Stanton. This truly is an experience to put on and quickly tick off that bucket list.
And it's mentioned as one of the top 10 in Europe, top 10 trails in Europe. So that is one of the reasons why we did.
Everything is very authentic.
Yeah, very authentic. It's like you go 100 years back.
All the flowers, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Lovely views. The landscapes are gorgeous.
It's really beautiful.
Another experience offered by UTracks is called Exploring the Cotswolds in either 5 or 8 day self-guided options. The 8-day option starts in Stratford-upon-Avon and ends in Winchcombe, taking you through peaceful countryside and stunning villages like Chipping Campden, Broadway, Stow-on-the-Wold, Lower Slaughter, Burton-on-the-Water and Guyting Power. The 5-day version of this trip goes from Moreton-in-Marsh and ends up in Winchcombe, taking in Stow-on-the-Wold, Lower Slaughter and Burton-on-the-Water en route.
When you walk into these towns, they seem as though they're frozen in time.
Coming into a village from woodlands, when you're dropping out of the woods and you come to this beautiful golden stone village and you just walk into the first pub you can find.
One of those picture postcard areas of England. Everywhere you go, you come around a corner and there's another beautiful scene. It's just a lovely place to be on holiday. Very relaxing.
UTracks also offers a popular Cotswolds by bike experience. This self-guided cycle trip takes 8 days and will take you through the peaceful Cotswolds countryside, meandering from village to village as you go. This journey is rated introductory to moderate and is a perfect introduction to multi-day cycling adventures.
Cotswolds area is very popular for cyclists because the roads tend to be pretty good. The Cotswold cycles tend to keep you away from the busy roads and onto the minor roads which have less traffic. And there's different ones you can do from day to day, so there's different distances you can actually achieve, as it were, depending on how you feel, what you want to see and how the weather is.
The Cotswolds is the epitome of English countryside and a region of outstanding natural beauty. To wander carefree from village to village through this beautiful landscape with nothing but a light day pack is what the Cotswolds experience with UTracks is all about. So book yourself onto this experience of a lifetime today.